Hello students, we are going to do practice set 8.1 question number 3. The question number 3 is in quadrilateral ABCD, length of segment AB is 6.4 centimeters, length of segment BC is 4.8 centimeters, measure angle A is 70 degrees, measure angle B is 50 degrees, measure angle C is 140 degrees. Now first and foremost rule, we have to draw the rough figure. Now here the quadrilateral ABCD, mark it correctly with the measurements. Length of segment AB 6.4 centimeter. Length of segment BC 4.8 centimeters. Measure angle A 70 degrees. Measure angle B 50 degrees. Measure angle C 140 degrees. Now what we have to do? First draw the base, that is segment AB 6.4 centimeter using your scale or ruler. So here segment AB I will draw. So it is AB 6.4 centimeters. Now we have to draw measure angle A 70 degrees. Using your protractor, start counting from 0 till 70. Draw the angle. Next, measure angle B is 50 degrees. Keep your protractor, the pointer at point B. 0 should coincide with the line segment. Then start counting from 0 degrees till 50 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here we have drawn angle A 70 degrees, angle B 50 degrees. Now we have to measure BC 4.8 centimeters. So using your rounder, you will take BC 4.8 centimeter with the help of scale. From point B, mark the point C. Here C, and this length is 4.8 centimeters. Now at point C, you have to draw the angle 140 degrees. So how will you do? Using the protractor. Keep it properly on the segment BC and the pointer should show C. Okay? The point C. Then you will start counting from 0 till 140. It is here 140 degrees. Okay? Then draw the angle. Here, this is the angle at C 140 degrees. Where the two lines have intersected, that point is point D. Thus, we have got the required quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Hope you have understood. Draw it neatly. Now, we will continue the question number 4. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length of segment LM is equals to length of segment LO is equals to 6 centimeters and length of segment ON is equals to length of segment NM is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Then length of segment OM is 7.5 centimeters. So first rule, we have to draw the rough figure. Now after drawing the rough figure, you have to mark the points correctly as given in the question. So here, suppose I start the quadrilateral from here L. Okay, go in order L, M, N, O. Okay, don't break the order, it will make the quadrilateral wrong then. Now write the measurements. Length of LM is equals to length of LO 6 centimeters. Then ON is equal to NM 4.5 centimeters. And then OM is 7.5 centimeters. Here, this quadrilateral we can try in a different method also. We can start from the diagonal because the diagonal OM is given as 7.5 centimeters. So I can start, instead of taking the base, okay, you can start from the diagonal. Diagonal OM 7.5 centimeters. First I will draw OM 7.5 centimeters. Then from O to N it is 4.5 centimeter and M to N it is 4.5 centimeters. So you will take the measurement in your rounder using the scale. So from O, it is here 4.5 centimeters. From N, it is 4.5 centimeters. Where the two arcs are intersecting, that point is N. Join ON, join MN with the help of your scale. Then next is segment OL is 6 and segment ML is 6. So I can take with the help of my scale on the rounder, I will take 6 centimeters. From point O, draw the arc of 6 centimeters. From point M, draw the arc of 6 centimeters. Okay, where the two arcs are intersecting, that is point L. Now join OL and LM. Write the measurements correctly. ON was 4.5 centimeters, MN 4.5 centimeters, OL 6 centimeters and LM 6 centimeters. Thus, quadrilateral LMNO is the required quadrilateral.